Don't try to sneak into your room like that. I know what you've got behind your back. Records. More new records.
All right, let's take the viewer's Pepsi challenge from yesterday. So someone wrote, well, your system, obviously on a great record, sounds great. What about a not-so-great record like the Rolling Stones' Out of Our Heads? Well, is this a not-so-great sounding record, really? You have 3 engineers listed here. Dave Hassinger got a start in classical music engineering, did Surrealistic Pillow, one of the great recordings of rock. Great studio, great engineer. So that's him. Then you got Ron Malo on the Chicago sessions at Chess Studios. He did Muddy Waters Folk Singer, not exactly a mediocre engineer, right? And you got Glyn Johns recording in England. So why should this not be a good sounding record, right? So we're going to play 2 tracks from this. Both of them happen to be at RCA Studios with Dave Hassinger. One will be Satisfaction, which you've heard a million times, and maybe you're bored of it, but I played it, and I was amazed by what I heard, okay? We'll see what you think. And then Play With Fire, recorded also in Hollywood. A very simple kind of track, done late at night, kind of an offbeat track that was just sort of laid down, and they liked it. I have 3 different versions of this record. So one is this red label American London. One is this maroon label London. And one is this London FFR British pressing packed in an American jacket. I don't know how that happened, but it was. And that's the one, that was this one. I still have the shrink wrap on it. And it's a C from Sam Goody, which means it's a 398 record, all right? I don't know. You know what? I'm not going to redo this video because subject was lost. I am not lost. It's telling me subject was lost because I think it's got face tracking set up. So what happened is it locked onto Mick Jagger's face instead of mine. I don't blame it for doing that, okay? But it did it. I'm not going to redo this. I'm going to keep this video. I'm going to keep this take. So we're going to hear Satisfaction. Then we're going to hear Play With Fire on the American pressed London red record. And then maybe, if I'm in a good mood, we'll play something from Exile on Main Street from an original Artisan Sound pressing in stereo, and we'll end this with that. Okay, here we go.
Satisfaction. You've got your diamonds and you've got your pretty clothes, and the chauffeur drives your cars. You let everybody know, but don't play with me, 'cause you're playing with fire. Your mother, she's an heiress, owns a block in St. John's Wood, and your father'd be there with her if he only could. But don't play with me, 'cause you're playing with fire. Took her diamonds and tiaras by the score. Now she gets her kicks in Stepney, not in Knightsbridge anymore. So don't play with me, 'cause you're playing with fire. Now you've got some diamonds, we'll have some others, but you better watch your step, girl, or start living with your mother. So don't play with me, 'cause you're playing with fire. So don't play with me, 'cause you're playing with fire.